In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download signed documents in Pandadoc. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a finalized copy of your signed document to your computer in just a few moments. To start, make sure you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the Documents tab. This is usually located in the main navigation area, and it's where all of your drafts, sent documents, and completed signed documents are stored. Go ahead and click on Documents. Once you're in the Documents section, you'll see a list of your files. What you're looking for specifically is a document with a completed status. That status means the document has been fully signed and finalized. You can use the search bar or any filters that are available to quickly find it, especially if you have a long list of documents. When you spot the completed document you want to save, click on its name to open it. After the document opens in the editor view, take a look toward the top left area of the screen, just below the name of the document. Here, you'll find a button labeled File. This is where Pandadoc keeps the main actions related to managing your document. Click on the File button to open the drop-down menu. In this File menu, you'll see several options for how you can work with your document. What you want to choose here is Download. Go ahead and click on Download. This tells Pandadoc that you want a copy of the document saved outside of the platform onto your own device. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a format. In most cases, especially for signed documents, the best option is PDF. PDF keeps the layout, the signatures, and the content locked in place, so nothing shifts around when you share it or open it on another device. Select PDF as your format. After you select PDF, your browser will either automatically start the download or ask you where you'd like to save the file. Choose a folder where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for signed agreements. Once the download finishes, you now have a secure, local copy of your signed Pandadoc document ready to store, print, or share as needed.